Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe an old person that you know. You should say what your relationship is to this person, how often you see this person, what people think about this person. Explain why you like this person.
The old person that I would like to describe here is my grandmother, whom I visit frequently as she lives far away from us. She is in her late 82nd and has a warm and gentle personality. I visit her once or twice a week, and we spend hours chatting and catching up on each other's lives. Despite her age, she is always up to date with the latest news and technology and loves to share her opinions on various topics. People in the community respect and admire my grandmother for her kindness and generosity. She is known for her delicious cooking and often shares her meals with her neighbors and friends. Many people seek her advice on different matters, and she always lends a listening ear and offers valuable insights. I like my grandmother for many reasons, but mostly for her unwavering love and support. She always believes in me and encourages me to pursue my dreams, even when others doubt me. She is a role model in every sense, and her life lessons continue to guide me. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.